Here at the Manchester site we have just over 600 people working on a 24/7 shift pattern. Jaffa's an iconic brand in the UK. We make just over 4,000 Jaffa cakes per minute, and that translates into about 60 tons of Jaffa cakes per day. Once we've done that, that translates into about 15,000 tons of Jaffa cakes every single year. So this is the start of the baking process then. We've got a solid steel band here and we are putting a release agent onto the band. This is effectively greasing the oven band so that the cake releases off the band when it's baked. This is the freshly baked cake coming out of the oven. We've got 2,500 cakes roughly a minute coming out. We've got a 6-minute bake for each cake in the oven. At the exit of the oven we've got a laser which measures the diameter of the cake and the stack height of the cake to make sure that it's all in specification before we send it upstairs for jam and chocolate. So this is the jam station. At this point we are sorting the cake into nice neat rows using 2 Rotadex aligners. That allows us to get the cake into nice precise lines so that when it goes to the jam station itself we can get the jam right in the centre of the cake. This is where we've swept the finished product off the conveyor belt and we're trying to get it into 2 single streams of product before we wrap it. So progressively as the cakes go through the zigzags we get them into fewer and fewer lanes. Once we've made the Jaffa cake itself, we send that down to the packing area and we pack it on a number of different lines that then makes it into different carton sizes for the consumer. We would then pack that into cases and it would be on the lorry within a couple of hours of it being made. Is it a cake or a biscuit? The clue is in the name. It's definitely a cake and is made a combination of sponge, chocolate and jam.